In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to deactivate Facebook account. This helps break social media addiction, minimizes exposure to negativity, and encourages real-life interactions. To do this, simply head to Facebook. Tap onto the menu button right here. You will then head to your settings. Now on the Setting and Privacy page, select Account Center. Here, under Account Settings, head to Personal Details. You want to tap onto the last option of Account Ownership and Control. Now head to Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account. Now make sure it's marked on Deactivation, where your account, main profile, and media will all be removed. But you will be able to use Messenger. Tap on Continue to confirm account deactivation. Put in mind that your account won't be deleted. You can still reactivate it by simply logging in. Well, that's how easy it is to deactivate Facebook account. And if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.